Presenting the 2008 Subaru Impreza sedan, Natal. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 17 Qua, X7 and Qua, 10-spoke alloy wheels, 2.5 LDOHC SMPI 16-valve VVT intercooled turbo 4-cylinder boxer engine, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel independent strut-type front suspension with lower L-arm, 5-speed manual transmission, ABS and adjustable steering wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.